Here are 10 easy lunch ideas for you. Customize ingredients to your preferred taste. 1 classic BLT sandwich. Layer crispy bacon, lettuce, and sliced tomatoes between 2 slices of toasted bread spread with mayonnaise. Simple yet satisfying. 2. Veggie Wrap. Fill a whole wheat wrap with your favorite veggies, such as spinach, shredded carrots, bell peppers, cucumber slices, and avocado. Add a spread of hummus or tzatziki for extra flavor. Chicken Caesar Wrap. Toss grilled chicken strips with Caesar dressing, romaine lettuce, and grated Parmesan cheese. Wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla for a tasty lunch on the go. 4. Pesto Pasta Salad. Mix cooked pasta with store-bought pesto sauce, cherry tomatoes, diced mozzarella cheese, and black olives. Serve chilled for a refreshing and flavorful meal. 5. Turkey and Cheese Quesadilla. Layer turkey breast and shredded cheese between 2 whole wheat tortillas. Heat in a skillet until the cheese melts and the tortillas are golden brown. Cut into wedges and serve with salsa or Greek yogurt. 6. Tuna Salad. Lettuce wraps. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, diced celery, red onion, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spoon the mixture onto large lettuce leaves and roll them up for a low-carb, protein-packed lunch. 7. Mediterranean Chickpea Salad. Combine chickpeas with diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, feta cheese, and Kalamata olives. Toss with olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of oregano for a light and satisfying salad. 8. Hawaiian Ham and Pineapple Skewers. Thread chunks of ham and pineapple onto skewers for a sweet and savory lunch option. Serve with a side of brown rice or quinoa for a balanced meal. 9. Vegetarian Rice Bowl. Top-cooked brown rice with black beans, roasted vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini and onions, avocado slices, and salsa. Sprinkle with cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for extra flavor. 10. Egg and Avocado Toast. Fry or scramble an egg and serve it on top of whole-grain toast spread with mashed avocado. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for a tasty and nutritious open-faced sandwich. These lunch ideas are quick to make and can easily be customized with your favorite ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow.